Hi Scorpio, this is your next 7 days reading starting from the 9th of April to the 15th of April. I'm going to look at your energies at this time to understand exactly what's coming to the collective of Scorpio. It's a good card spread because I have read it in advance and I have clarified it and I have some good information to tell you. And I will start from the influence situation. So the influence in this time period is of 7 of cups. So 7 of cups means a new option is coming to you in this time period out of the many options that you could be looking at. So you are coming out of, you are the king of cups energy, and you are coming out of a status quo. You are coming out of a conservative attitude, and new options are coming in front of you with the 7 of cups. Make your decision very carefully. You have the depth of knowledge, you have the depth of emotional intelligence, and in this time period there could be a victory in circumstances. That is what I am seeing with the 6 of wands. Attention, attraction, people may be giving you, you could be moving very quickly into a leadership position. So with the death card and the emperor card, what's happening is there is a transformation, and there is going to be, putting your priorities or something under a structure. So something is ending, maybe one structure is ending, another is coming in, or this could be that you had for a job, maybe suppose you had given some ideas and they were rejected in the first place, but now someone in authority is coming back and trying to reverse that decision, or giving you support, or giving you another chance to explain yourself, or to tell tell them what exactly you meant. So you are getting a second chance in a situation. So this could be with a lover, or this could be with a close relationship, or this could be with a father figure or a boss figure, spouse figure, or it could be in your economy, in your long term energies of work. So there could be a new situation developing for you. This is happening after an ending. So one ending or one thing has been over in your situation, and now again there is a chance of renewal. So whether it is renewal in love, whether it is a renewal in opportunity, something is coming to you. So you had given up on a chance that went out of your hand, or that was delayed with the hangman and the wheel of fortune. Something fated, something destined, which you thought should be yours, it slipped out of your hand. And it slipped out because of misunderstanding, or because of some kind of energy of self doubt with the 8 of swords. So basically what happened was a miscommunication, a misreading, a self doubt energy. Something stopped you on your tracks, and you sacrificed a situation that had come to you unexpectedly. And now this chance is coming again with the princess of cups, that is page of cups, and the lover's energy. Most probably in a couple shape, you are getting a person back in your life, or an opportunity to make a new choice which will be harmonious for you. You will be getting an opportunity to accept in a job situation. So basically you are coming out of a lack, you are coming out of a situation where you felt that the doors have been closed on my face, what to do. That kind of energy was persisting in your life. Now what is happening in terms of your feelings, ace of cups. So recovery from bad situations, recovery or self love, self care energy, or self worth energy is coming back. With 6 of wands, a victory in a personal situation is definitely happening. It is giving you the energy of queen of wands, it is giving you the energy of moving forward boldly. And with the Page of Wands, you can take situations with enthusiasm once again. It can also mean with the Page of Wands and Two of Wands, you will be taking a risk of expansion in your economy, in your job situation. Maybe you could be getting an opportunity of a job coming to you, opportunity of making money or making a new business or accepting an inheritance in your life. With the King of Swords, you are speaking up, or a King of Swords could be attracted towards you, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy, or you are speaking smartly, consolidating your environment in the near future. So you could be dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Also, you could be giving up on one situation with a Pisces or a Sagittarius and moving on to a new situation with a fire sign or a air sign. In terms of your job, or some of you are dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn as well, you are involved in some kind of deal making or some kind of opportunity which stopped you on your tracks, like I told you. And Nine of Swords or Eight of Swords was prevailing, anxiety was there, but you will be gathering more knowledge, or you will be getting into investigation of some sort. There is going to be an improvement. And with the Queen of Pentacles, you are going to arrive in a situation where things are becoming stable, or a support of a stable person, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, is coming to you in this time period. So your outcome is the Ace of Swords, Knight of Cups, and the Chariot. So Ace of Swords is something, some victory in a chaotic situation is coming to you unexpectedly. You had not expected, you had given up on something, you had sacrificed on something, you were thinking that there is only silence, nothing is happening. With the a Knight of Cups, someone is coming in with a bailout situation, and this is happening because you were very focused about this situation. You have been thinking day in and day out about this situation, and finally triumph is coming to you because of your determination. And you could be moving towards a situation with lot of creativity. So your creative ideas, your motivation, your energies have been they are attracting a new situation, a renewal for you. A new start is definite with the Ace of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, and Ace of Cups in your reading. So something is starting once again in your life. So what angels are telling you in this time period is windfall of abundance is coming to you. An increase in abundance is arriving in many different forms, some of them unexpected. Be open to receiving, and know that this abundance comes to you to support your life purpose, health, and charitable work. So whatever comes to you, always multiply it or share it with others, so that nothing is nothing falls into bad karma, and you can sustain a longer period of enjoyment or happiness. So let's see some cards from the Keeper. So sudden wealth is coming to you, a recognition, high honor, respect from some source is coming to you, whether in your love or whether it is in your work situation. Wherever we can apply these two cards, sudden wealth and respect and honor coming to you, something is official, someone is coming to you officially, someone was very strict official, bigger person, bigger man, bigger woman, this official thing is coming to you. A pathway is opening up for you after a long wait of a year or two. And with the mature man, there is a possibility that a mature, very a uniform man or a man of substance or a very strong person is coming towards you. You are wishing for this person is coming to you, giving you recognition, importance, and sudden wealth in terms of your economy, something official, something is coming to you. You were waiting for a job, you were waiting for an opportunity from this person, and it is coming to you. So this is your reading, Scorpio. All this is happening because of your spiritualism. This is happening because of your determination. It is happening because of you not losing your focus on the thing you wanted in life. So basically, this is a good week for you, Scorpio. If you have liked this reading, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through any difficulty can always contact me through the email ID in the description box for a personal reading. I do not solve problems online in the sense that I don't write back and give you the solution. I always do a reading face to face online, and that's why I charge some fee. And my procedure is very simple. You just have to write to me through the email ID, and I will give you the steps. You just have to follow them, and then you can have a reading one on one, face to face on any phone app. So thanks for watching. If you have liked this reading, keep coming back, keep sharing, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much. Bye bye.